Welcome to Blogging AFFI guys, and in this video I will guide you how you can purchase AFFI Pro plugin for your WordPress website from Blogging AFFI store. So let's get started. So first open your any browser and type for Blogging AFFI store. Don't worry, I will share you the direct product link in the description box. So just click on the description link and you will redirect here. Okay, and here's the second method. Just search Blogging AFFI store on the Google on the other search engine and click on bloggingaffi.com/store, and here you can see we have lots of WordPress themes and plugins with original license key. So click on the search icon and type what you need. Basically in this video we'll talk about AFFI Pro. So let me type AFF, and here you can see AFFI Pro activation with original license key. So uses for one domain, update validity, lifetime, auto update. As you know, we have original license key. Installation manually we will install. That means you have to share your website temporary access with us and we will install your product in a few minutes. That's a simple process. License type original license key we have, so you will receive automatic update from your WordPress dashboard. So for the purchase, just click on add to cart button. Now click on checkout button. Now fill your first name, last name, WhatsApp number, email address, and create a password for Blogging AFFI store and select your payment method. So if you from India, you can select cash free and phone pay, and if you outside of India, you can select PayPal and confirm your payment. After the payment confirmation, you will redirect on this type of thank you page, and here you can see a download button. So just click on this download button and you will receive our premium contact support there. So just send your website temporary access with us and we will install your product in a few minutes. Okay, that's a simple process. So I hope guys you love this video and tutorial too. So please check the description link for the product. Thank you.